Success is no accident. It doesn't happen because you got lucky, knew the right person, or waited for the perfect opportunity to come knocking. Success is built through decisions. The decision to believe there's more possible for your life. The decision to get uncomfortable, learn new skills, and keep moving forward when others would rather stay exactly where they are. Because the truth is, most people want a better future, but too many keep repeating the same routine and hoping something will eventually change. At TruPowur, we believe your future should be something you build, not something you wait for. The energy industry creates an incredible opportunity because every home and every business needs energy. Customers are already paying for it every single month. As a TruPowur broker, you can build a business around helping residential and commercial customers explore ways to reduce energy costs, identify potential savings, and make smarter energy decisions. And instead of starting from scratch, you have access to the training, technology, suppliers, products, markets, tools, resources, and support designed to help you build your business. But none of it works without you. Your ambition, your consistency, your willingness to make the calls, have the conversations, serve customers, develop relationships, and keep building. Because success is no accident. It's what happens when opportunity meets preparation, and preparation meets action. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.